that I haven't done yet. I didn't get enough time to do that.
Yeah. So you can share your screen and guide us that what will be the first step that Banu and Shivam and Dharini can follow, or Ishan
Okay.
also.
So Hyper-V, the lab, I think we cannot do it on the
No, no,
home
no, no, no,
traditional.
no, we cannot do that there. Actually, the problem is that earlier I had taken the trainings for the organizations, and in the organizations, all the attendees they are provided with the company laptops, so they are having the Windows Professional,
Professional.
yeah, installed in their devices, so they never faced this issue, and it was totally new for me. Okay,
Yeah,
Ishan,
I think
great.
this one throwing the mostly the RAM issue. Hyper-V.
Mm-hmm.
Can you see my screen?
Yeah, so from where we have to download this application, Jamin?
For this one, I actually already sent the link on the WhatsApp for
Okay.
to download and install it right away, because otherwise you have to uh, create an account on the broadcom.com. Let me show you. Give me 1 second.
Jamina, you sent two links, right? One is the workstation, another one.
Yeah, so actually I sent like two
One for
links.
Mac. Yeah.
So total three links I sent it. One is for Mac,
Yeah.
and another two is like different version. So if
Okay.
someone's laptop is like not that powerful, they can use the lower version of VMware Workstation.
So which one is the lower version? 17.6.4 or
Yeah, 17.6.4, and the other one is like 25H2. It is the latest version.
okay, the latest version requires like 16 GB RAM and things.
I mean, it can also run on 8 GB, but then it might create more problem for the RAM and processor. That's why I just included second one as well, the lower version as well. You can use that as well.
Or
Just use that.
the workstation full 17.6.4, right?
Yes,
That
yeah,
is
yeah, yeah.
that,
That
that
is
can
also
run that can run on the 8 GB RAM.
yes, yeah. No issues with that. Let me open the. So you can see my Edge, right? Edge browser.
No, I expect that you are using multiple screen. You are dropped now. He's dropped. Okay. Jamin, you got dropped. Yeah, I'm pinning you.
Yeah, sorry, I just click on the close button instead of entire screen. Okay.
Waiting for you to share the screen.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what will be the first step? First step, I think it is downloading the VM application from the link.
Yes, yes. So you can see my browser, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
We see in the menu bar, but not on the screen. I think you are using multiple screens and that screen is not being shared.
Okay. Um, okay.
Yeah, it's visible now.
Okay. So okay. So you can see right my
Yeah, yeah.
browser now. Okay, so just go to here.
Broadcom. Okay. Everyone, please do follow
Yeah,
these
Broadcom,
steps.
and then just a second. Just type Broadcom VMware version. Okay, so I already have the account.
Mm-hmm.
I can just sign in
So,
on.
if anyone is not having the account, so they can just create it or sign up.
Yeah, sign up. Yeah, sign up or create it.
Is it?
Just
Yeah. Is it?
search in the Google at Broadcom account creation. It will come up,
Mm-hmm.
and once you create the account, okay. So I opened this one. So now we have to go to my downloads. So here you can search the product. So I just selected VMware here, or you can just click on free software here, or you can search VMware Workstation Pro, or just click on here then. So it will take us to, okay, so station. So this is the one, VMware Workstation Pro here. So you have to click on this one. So here we have, this is the latest version. So the first one is the latest version released last year, and before that it was a 17.0 version. So you can download either of 25H2 or 17.0, it doesn't matter. So once you click on 25H2, you have to click on this release here, 25H2. So it will take you to the download page. So so here, so right now it's not showing here, but let me show you quickly how it looks like. Right now it's giving me download option right there, but it won't give you for you. So let's say I just click on that one.
So, it will be for Linux.
No, I'm just telling you the one more thing. So this one was not showing on me before because I already did this part. So
Mm-hmm.
you have to agree the terms and conditions. So
Mm-hmm.
it won't let you click here. So you have to click on the terms and conditions. It will open on the second page. Then just go back to the same tab. It will allow you to select this one.
Okay. So,
Once
guys,
you click
are
on the check,
yeah, yeah. So, everyone, are we on the same page or because I was also doing in
Yeah,
another
I'm
device?
Jim, and what about the link which you shared in the WhatsApp chat? Is it the same?
yes, yeah, it's the same. So actually, I
Ah, okay.
downloaded from here. I just
Uploaded
gave you the
on.
download file direct.
Got you. Okay, I have set up everything and I'm downloading ISO file actually. So once
Okay.
ISO file gets downloaded only we can configure further, right?
Yes, yes.
we there is an option when you try to install the compatibility setup, like install Windows hypervisor platform automatically. We should enable it or no?
So, sorry, what you said?
Do we have to check the while installing? Do we have to check install Windows hypervisor platform automatically? We have to enable it or no?
Yeah, just enable it. Doesn't matter. Okay, so once you click on this one and that one, so you have to agree to the terms and conditions with a checkbox. Once you're done with that one, you can click this cloud button with down arrow to download it. So once you click on that one, it will start downloading the workstation.
So what is the memory of it?
Sorry, for the workstation pro, like how much memory it
Yeah,
supports.
yeah, yeah, yeah. No, no,
Minimum 8 GB.
it is 277.63 MB file.
Okay, okay, the file size. Yes,
Yeah.
yeah, the file size.
Yeah, now we once the download is completed, what we have to do, we have to install it.
Yes, yeah. So once we install it, yeah, we have to install it via workstation and
Okay.
use like a full or complete installation.
Mm-hmm.
So once we install that one, so it will be look like this.
We are seeing yellow screen.
You are seeing the web page, right? Currently. What's going on? Okay, let me share my VMware screen. Okay.
Yeah. So
Okay. Can you see my VMware screen
yeah.
now?
So once it will be downloaded, it will look like this for everyone.
Yes, yeah.
Okay.
But you have to create VMs or you have to import it.
Yeah, so no, yeah, so you have to create. So once you click on the file, a new virtual machine here.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay, and
just give an example, I mean that how we can
okay,
create it.
okay. So once we click on the file tab on the top,
Or can
Mhm.
I share my screen? I installed. I want to create one VM. Can you
Yeah,
guide me?
yeah, Rajagopal, you can share and let's do it on your thing. Jamin has already done it, so
Yeah.
okay, let me stop sharing my screen.
mhm.
Able to see my screen.
Yeah, yeah, we are able to see.
Okay, yeah, that's perfect. So click on the create new virtual machine. Okay, and next.
Typical one, right?
Yeah, yeah. So typical, yeah, that's fine. Next. So you have to browse the ISO file which you downloaded just now.
Okay, I think Rajagopal, you haven't downloaded the ISO.
Okay, let me then share my screen. I have ISO.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, let me share my screen back. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so you can see my screen, right?
Yeah, yeah, we can see.
Okay. Okay, so So we can click on the file from here, or the way it was showing on the create virtual machine the same way. So new virtual machine or create virtual machine, and then you have to click typical, just wait, just keep it default
Mm-hmm.
and click next.
We aren't able to see your that screen.
You can see now.
No, only the VMware workstation screen we are able to see. That is in dark mode.
Maybe.
The ISO file is in a different link, or I have to download separately. I mean,
Yes.
ISO for the ISO I have given the link. This one is the link. I will paste it again.
okay,
Okay.
thank you.
I I can't share three screens at the same time. Why is it like that?
Okay, so basically we have to import the ISO and then proceed with the setup of it.
Yes, yeah. Once you import it, you have to select that file .iso. Once you select it, then
Mm-hmm.
you have to click step by step next.
Okay, next, and then memory setup and all will come.
So the
Yeah,
ISO I download the enterprise download or the LTSC download.
enterprise,
Enterprise.
enterprise.
Now we are able to see your screen.
Oh, you can able to see now.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So,
Oh, okay, okay, that's good. I don't know what happened. Okay, so once I click on the typical and then next,
mm-hmm.
then choose the ISO image. I'm just gonna browse my image. So so I'm still in Windows 11 Enterprise, which I had.
Okay.
So once you select it, you have to click next. It is still reading it from
Mhm.
here.
It's trading the disk, yeah. So can we select the operating system later on also means was the setup?
Yes, yeah, 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 yeah. You can do later on as well. Um, come on, it's not responding.
Okay, so I think it's gonna take some time for everyone to download the ISO and proceed ahead with that.
Mhm.
Meanwhile, I'm thinking that we should cover some topics and
Yeah.
okay, so I'm launching my lab.
Or did anyone has downloaded the ISO file on their PC?
I'm downloading
Yeah,
it.
it is
Another
taking time.
Yeah, it will take some time to download,
Yeah,
so we need to
it's a
wait
bit.
for that. And meanwhile, we'll be covering some topics. So I'm ready with the marker and this thing today.
Okay.
So we have a whiteboard in the background. We will be using that. So is my video clearly visible to you people?
No, you can't see.
Okay, let me turn it off. Open to my device. So yesterday we completed then myself. Okay, so yesterday we completed on one topic that was creation of the user via PowerShell. I'm sharing my screen as well.
Mhm.
Okay, so is my screen visible to everyone now?
Yes.
Okay, so this is the Intune portal. What we did yesterday, we created the administrative roles and the user in Azure and in Intune also. So everyone now is having access to do all those things on their portals. I have assigned the global administrator role to everyone. So this part was done and we were moving ahead with the creating and managing the groups and validating license assignments. So what are the licenses that are usually required for the users to have? So that is basic requirement is Office 365 P5. So what it does, it gives you the access to all the Office applications so that you can get the Office applications access on your devices, not on the web. So E5 is the extended version of E3 license Office 365 E3, and then we have enterprise mobility plus security E5 via group membership. So this license allows us to allows users to enroll their devices in Intune or get their devices managed by the organization. So this license is mainly assigned to the users for that. So these are the licensing parts. So what we will be doing and we will be learning today, that we will be assigning particular licenses to the users, and we will see that from where to assign the licenses to the users. So currently we are on Seb 1 already. Coming here, yes, we will go to intra. So we have to create the group for these three users so that that group can be assigned with the license. So what we are going to do, we are going to create the group at the moment. Groups, new group, group name we will put as customer managers. So I have already talked about the group types, that security group and 365 group. Group description, we will leave it as it is. Then we have to select the members. I'll be coming to this part owner once, that how we set up the owners for a particular group and what is actual use of it, and how it is beneficial for the admins to assign the owner for a particular group. So we have to select here admin read. Okay, one user is selected, Miranda. You guys can also just create the users, these two users, and then you can create a group for them, and we will learn the part of the license assignment, that how we are going to do the license assignment for them. So it's created. The second part is now coming, create groups by using PowerShell, that we were learning that how to do the things with the PowerShell as well, side by side, when we have to do in bulk. So this is the command. I will be pasting this in chat as well. So we are going to create one group named as Contoso Sales, and we will be assigning the user to the particular group. Contoso sales, this group is created. This is the group ID. Okay, and now we are bringing MG graph so that we can add the users. These are the groups which are created, which are there in our tenant. And now let's verify the group detail with this command. It's verified. Okay, and we will be adding coordinate in this group. It's done. Okay. So these PowerShell commands, if we'll talk about, you can get these commands from Google or from the PowerShell admin center also. So just you have to change the group IDs and the usernames and in there, and then you can proceed ahead with it.
The same lab is in that lab guide.
Yeah,
The, sa-
yeah, yeah,
the one
Rajagopal.
we are referring to do the lab. The same guide is available in the lab guide which we downloaded.
Yeah, 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 same thing is available in the lab guide that you guys have downloaded.
Okay.
So now what we will be doing, we'll be going to the billing and licenses and assigning that license to particular group which we have created here. Say billing and licenses. We'll come to the all products. We will see that how many licenses are available with us in our tenant, and accordingly we can assign them. We had this pan. Okay. So on licenses overview page, manage, select all products, take note of the current license available and assigned for enterprise mobility plus security 5 and office. So these two licenses are mandatory in Intune to be assigned to the user so that user is able to access the company data resources and do their job. So custom branding, company branding page, default sign-in experience, customize. Okay, so after that, in the Microsoft Intra Admin Center, we have to set up the custom branding also. I thought it might be already there. But let's search it. Branding. Okay, so, so company branding and default sign-in page. We will do the customization of it. So why we are setting this up so that once you log in means I'll just give an example. Once you log into any of the site like Let's see that I'm logging to my HCL, and it's giving this notification, okay, Microsoft icon and all. So we can put the company icon also here, means whatever the company icon is here from the custom branding page from Intra ID. So if any user will put their user ID, they will get their company branding here. So it's for that only we are going to set up for our Contoso thing. Think it's already set up, or common URL. Sign in page text, we have mentioned this, and we have created. So just few things I have modified. I have added the sign in page thing that I have mentioned are tenant name, Contoso Core. Okay, and then I have set update. Now we will go to the users to see whether it is working for the user or not. Licenses. Okay, no license is assigned to Cody Governance. So this is the portal from where we assign the license. We call it admin.microsoft admin micro M365 admin portal. So we will see all the licenses here, and accordingly we will be able to assign the licenses to our organization users. So as already told that we would be needing enterprise mobility security 5 license. So we have to add this license for coordinate. Mm, Here is the user selected. Okay, assign licenses. You have assigned a license to Coordinates, that is enterprise. Okay, it's done now. We can verify it from here. License is active, assigned. Now this user will be able to sign in into a device using their credential, and that device can be managed via Intune. Coming to the user, let's test that whether it is working fine or not. So it's the same thing that we are doing it, that we have already done it. So I'm just giving a test for that. So we will be doing the enrollment part for this user, whether the device is getting enrolled from work or school account or not. First, let's remove this first. Okay, alternative or entry. Make sure they can then discontinue from moving to receiving on local news data account. That I will do it later on. So anybody is having their PCs available in the VMs so that we can test it with this user credentials.
I have my VM is available right now.
Okay, so let's just Jamin. Just do the joining part only.
Okay. Okay. Let me share my screen.
The license we have to assign for the group or users only through admin center, right?
There are two things, two places from where we can assign the licenses. That is from M365 Admin Center and from Intune also we can do the license assignation. So from M365 Admin Centers we can assign the license to group to users as well, to a particular user as well.
Okay.
So,
Okay, now should I share my screen?
Yeah, you can share your screen. I'll give you the credential. Coordinates at the rate. And 65x.
Okay. So what is the user ID?
Okay, I have pasted the account details
Yeah.
and let me share the passwords as well.
We are just doing only registration, right? Not
Yeah.
joining.
No, joining thing, not the registration.
Joining?
Registration, so that anybody can do it, but joining part will actually test the license.
Okay. So next, password.
Password is wait, copying and pasting. That is P. It's not typing. P in capital, A in small, and then five hyphen
55 hyphen
W small in
W
small dot
dot
RD
RD
exclamation mark.
exclamation mark. Is it correct? Can you check it on the screen?
Yeah, it is correct. Yeah.
Okay, I'm signing in now. Um, it says incorrect password.
It's incorrect password.
Yeah, it says incorrect.
Wait.
Maybe just use any simple password.
Six seven image. Okay, I pasted in the chat.
Okay,
The account also I will just write in the chat only. Might be incorrect which I typed in.
paste. Okay. CG. Yeah, still says incorrect password. How come?
Mhm, mhm. Okay, let me change the password.
Jamin, when we select the ISO, we have to give password for encryption as well.
Password
Uh,
for
you don't you don't need to. You can skip that part if you want to.
I can skip it.
yeah. Uh,
Yeah, there might be skip options on there.
so
I
Jamin,
don't see this.
you can type the password now. B capital O small
B capital O small.
and then V for yeah small V
Mm-hmm.
and U in small
Mm-hmm.
7072.
707. Oh, can you tell me one more
Yeah,
time?
V capital B for Britain and O in
O.
small, V for Victoria in small,
Mm-hmm.
and U for umbrella in small,
Mm-hmm.
then 7072.
Okay, can you verify? Is it correct?
First, the first letter should be B capital.
Oh, B.
Okay, B for then yeah, now correct. Yeah,
Correct?
yeah.
Okay. So I'm going to sign it now.
Okay, current password you can type it again. So for the first time when we will change the password, you can see the scenario the here. We are changing the password and we are getting the option to reset our passwords. So yesterday I was talking that for the first time login, if you are giving the credential to the user, we will face this thing. So B in capital, O in small, then V in 7072.
7.
New password you can make like anything password at the rate 1234.
So this is set. This preference is set as the RBAC rule
Yeah, yeah,
when
yeah.
they log in.
Yeah. That difference is set up. Means the password is going to remain same for every user. So once they put that password in, so what they are prompted to change their password as per them.
Oh, okay, yeah. But that can be set at the RBAC level or where you have to set user has to change the
Once
rule.
When we create the user in bulk, yesterday we were learning that once we were creating the users in bulk, so what we did, we set up the password in the bulk only, means not in the bulk, but we set up the password for that particular time, that all the users which I am going to create are they are going to have the same password.
Okay,
Is it
so we are
join in?
getting the join option now.
Yeah, join
Okay.
in. Once it is complete, I will show the device will be under that particular user. So step by step, we are going to just test the things that what we have implemented. It's done.
Yeah, it's connected here.
Okay, now I am sharing my screen again
Okay.
to show whether the particular device is visible under the particular user or not. So it's the user now. Okay, this is the device section. Coming to the devices. See, that particular device is visible now,
Hmm.
and we can manage that device as well. No, we cannot manage it because it's not enrolled via autopilot.
But
It's just,
it is still showing in the Intune, right?
yeah, it's just showing in the Intune. So the device is registered now. It's joined now. So what we have tested here, we have tested the license that if the user is having that enterprise license, then the user can enroll the device. So one more thing, Jamin, you can test that if the
Hmm.
user is able to log into M365, any of the
O-
applications.
Okay, let me do that. Let me share my screen again.
Yeah, please do share it again. So we are going to test the real scenario. As of now, I haven't assigned the M365 license to the user. Uh, so we will be testing that whether it is working for the user or not.
Okay, so you can see my screen, right?
Yeah, we can see.
Okay, so I'm just typing Outlook app.
Mm-hmm.
It must let sign in automatically, right?
Yeah, it must sign in
Disable
automatically.
notification.
SSO with the SSO.
Hmm.
If it is asking for the product key, it means that it is not having the license. Okay, just put the credentials I have given. It's not taking the SSO.
Yeah, it should take automatically sign in without asking.
The SSO, I think it's not set up for the environment yet. We will be doing it.
Because the one I did in my lab environment
Mhm. So
through
actually automatically that is set up for, or else the user might not be having the license. That might also be the reason.
something went wrong. Oh, why is it taking IMAP? Okay, let me test.
Via Edge also you can test it.
Yeah. Okay, so we can about the login.
Mhm.
I go to oh, there are no apps. That means no license.
Yeah, so you guys can see that there are no apps. It means that there is no license. What I am going to do now, I'm going to assign the license to the user so that the apps can be installed. So this is the main scenario also that we usually get when there is a new user created in the environment in your organization and they aren't assigned with the licenses automatically. So in that case, what we have to do, so for the live scenario thing, we are going to do the same thing, that how we resolve this type of issues when we face it in our environment. So I'm going to reshare my screen. Meanwhile, Gemini, you can stay on the screen. We will
Yeah.
be just coming back to it. Okay, so this is the user coordinate. We have to assign what which license anyone can tell, which license we have to assign so that user is having the access to the M365 applications. Anyone?
Um, Same one, right? The one they showed now. E5 from here. You can choose Office 365 E5 as well.
Yeah, that's the only one that we have to assign. So this
No, the other one, Windows 10 or 11 E5 you have, right?
yeah,
E5 or E3.
yeah. So that's this one we will assign. So assign licenses, put in the user credentials. Okay, the user is now having the license. We will check it from here. Now license is assigned. So Gemini, you can test now.
Okay. So
And
if
just
I
refresh. Yeah.
yeah refresh it should, or I can set up Outlook. It should show, right?
Mhm.
It was not showing
Or it
before.
might take some time, I think, to sync the licenses.
Yeah, it takes like 5-10 minutes to.
5-10 minutes it takes.
Oh, see. Okay, no. Yeah, it will take some time. Let's see.
Let's just log out and log in again to M365. I think refreshing.
I saw you added the user from the Entra license. So we have to do it from Entra license or from the user.
From intra licenses, M365 admin center. So there is M365 admin center. We call it admin.cloud.microsoft. So all the licenses are available on the cloud. So from there we have to select the license, we have to select the user for which user we have to assign the license and then enable the licenses.
We have to do it only from the admin center or from the Entra as well.
No, from admin and admin center only. So it's the part of the intra thing, means as I told that it's also the branch of intra.
Also, whatever we do, the Entra it reflects the beneath the admin center
Yeah,
and
yeah, yeah.
because I noticed you did it from the Entra license.
From intra licenses, I check the licenses, not the assignation. Assignation part can only be done from there only.
From admin center.
M365, yeah, admin center. I think Office is not installed, Jamin, in this. You can install the apps from top.
No, but it should show the web version of apps, right? I can still open.
With the license, it should show up, but I think it's not syncing as of now. That is why it's not showing. So anybody have any doubt? We can take up the questions now regarding this, the license assignment. Most interesting part is going to come. That is the enrollment thing and Microsoft Intra Connect, how we do it. So that we are going to cover tomorrow.
Yeah, like enrollment is like the most confusing part I'm thinking of.
Yeah, enrollment is interesting also and confusing also. If there is no clarity in that what types of enrollment are there and what is actually required to be enrolled, in which section the device should be enrolled, it should be joined or registered. So these things we have to understand from the Azure perspective as well.
Yeah, because I was just trying to understand because there are some key terms like join, registered,
And
then
hybrid.
and yeah, and hybrid too. So I already made some notes like with clarification because like if you see here, I see have like see I did like one register, one join with OOP, and one like register only with like with different combinations to understand like what exactly going on in the backend. But still, there are still a lot of possibilities we can join or
Yeah,
register
that's
and
that's that's the interesting part. Rest all the things means all the buttons are already available. You have to just read. If someone has asked to do that, what task you need to do. If user creation is required, reset of the password is required from Intra or from Intune, or BitLocker key. Someone has asked that what is the BitLocker key of the device? What is the compliance policy getting filled? All the buttons are available in Intune. We can just go through and do that, but the main agenda we have to learn that how the things are working in the background and what is the type of enrollment, how it is getting connected with Azure and other cloud services, because Intune is getting connected with the other cloud services also, M365 also, that is also another cloud service, another branch of Intra ID,
mm.
and then it's connecting with AAD, Azure Active Directory, that's also a part of cloud thing. So
Can you
things
see
are
my
like that.
screen?
Yeah, 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 yeah.
This is the one. These three things I was like getting confused. Like the connect button
Mm-hmm.
do different thing, Ender only do different thing, and signing out of box experience a different thing.
So
And it,
these things means if you want to check the device status, that whether it is which type of joint type, enroll type. Okay, joint
registered.
type is showing. Okay, so that is
Yeah.
Microsoft Entra registered. So you have just registered the devices, not joined.
Yes. Yes.
Joint
Yeah.
devices only will be managed from the portal from Intune.
Yeah. But we can do app management for registered as well, right?
Yeah, for registered as well, some of the services we can manage it, but it's totally the BYOD thing. Bring your own device thing means someone is bringing their own device, putting their credentials and using the services is called as registered thing. That means that device is registered now to use the services. Not every policy or restrictions, whatever you are applying from Intune, it won't be applied to that device. So,
Okay.
hi Banu, coming to your question, you were raising your hand.
Yes, Vipin. Actually, VMware I set up and I have browsed my ISO file and I added. And the third option it's giving like you have to set a password, and I don't find an option like
So maybe then just create the
rejecting
connect
it.
button, or you can just create it then.
Can I share my screen? Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, you can see here, right?
Okay, that's perfect. Click on the next.
Next, yeah.
Password for the credential manager. It's okay. You can keep the password. Then doesn't matter. Just click on the next.
Okay. So is it okay splitting up the virtual disk into multiple files or
Maybe you can. I just use like the store a single file. If you want to copy and paste somewhere else, you can.
and maximum disk size can be keep it as 20?
Yeah, 20 should be okay. Yeah, you can go with 20. But if you take 64, it won't use 64 right away. It just expands
Uh-huh.
automatically up to 64 GB if it's required.
Okay. So everything is done, right?
RAM, what RAM did you choose? Can you click on the customize? Okay, it's 4 GB.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, that's good. Okay, so finish.
Okay, it's creating the disk. And switches and all will be already connected.
Sorry.
Network switches, Jamin. How?
Yeah, so okay, so those are like by default ones. So let me, I think it's by default it takes the NAT
Mhm.
adapter, NAT. It shares the internet connection automatically.
Okay, good. It's created now.
Yeah.
So we can do the testing here. So just the homework part that I'm going to tell now. What we have to do, everyone is having the access to their Intune thing.
Yes.
Okay, so what you have to do, what we have learned till now, we have learned the creation of the user. You just create one user with your name that I think everyone has already done. Now, today we have learned the part of the license assignments. You have to go to the M365 admin center and assign the license to your account. Then coming back to the device, learn the joining type and register type of the device. Again, go to the portal, see the devices registered under your name or not. Then we will be learning the another type of registration that is called autopilot registration. So before proceeding with the autopilot registration, what we will be doing, we will be setting up the autopilot environment. So that's the thing that we are going to learn tomorrow or day after tomorrow, because tomorrow I have to explain the topic that how the things are working in the background once we are assigning the licenses, and once we are assigning logging into the device with the credentials in a fresh device. So guys, this is the homework part. If anyone faces any issue in doing that or any doubt that where I have to go and click or what I have to do, you can just text me or call me.
Noted.
Bano, you have to click on the enter setup.
Inter
Okay.
setup.
Enter, click enter.
Mm.
Inter setup. Yeah.
Now, anything else?
Exit, because as soon as you
Exit
start the
the
browser, you have to, yeah, exit. Yeah.
exit the boot
Yeah, yeah,
maintenance
yeah.
manager, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, exit it.
Next, I guess
Okay,
it's you
okay,
know
click on the shutdown system. Okay, so once as soon as you restart, just press any keyboard button to boot. Otherwise, it won't let you do it.
like what should I do?
Click OK. Okay, and once click again OK. Okay, so press any keyboard, press any key on the keyboard fast.
Yeah.
Okay, so you have to first click the mouse to go into that VM, and then you have to click fast. Okay, otherwise,
Oh, okay.
okay, so you have to restart from. If you just right click on
Again,
the, yeah, again, yeah, right click on the top tab on Windows 11 and then restart.
control alt just a minute.
Restart
Power of
there.
it.
Just do
Reset.
restart. No, restart guest. Restart. Make sure your mouse click on click inside.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, that's good. Okay, that's good. Now it started.
Okay.
You want
Congratulations,
to go back?
Vanu.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thanks to Jamin on this. And is anyone else have done this? Shivam, Masanam.
Yeah, you can normally
Ah,
follow
okay,
the
got
step by
it.
step. Yeah, this is simply
Okay, he's
executing.
installing the AI. So, okay. So, guys,
Okay
if
then.
anyone is again facing the issue related to it, we can have a connect at 8:30 p.m. today as well, because that's the part is going to take time. The rest, explaining the topics and testing the things is not going to take much time.
Okay, I guess everything is set up with me. Done.
Okay. Okay. So, guys, are we good to drop, or is there any other questions coming up with the three topics that we have completed today?
Uh, is it okay connect tomorrow to ask all the questions if it is
Yeah, you
required?
can write it or write it down all the questions that you have, and as part of the homework that I have told, what we have to do, we have to create the user with our own credentials or own name, and then test the enrollment part. What we have done today.
Sure, sure. So, is there any notes being provided from your end, Vipin, whatever you have?
I'll be preparing the notes and I'll be sharing it on the weekends that in
Okay,
whole week what we have covered the notes so that you guys can access those notes, and that will be helpful for the MD 102 exam as well.
okay. All right then. Thank you.
Okay, Shivam, I'll be sharing the source on weekends. So that will be our source, what we have discussed, what we have learned, what we have talked in the calls, and what types of questions we have faced till now. Okay, so guys,
Uh,
I think we are good now. I also have some exam today to take. That's the administrator exam from Microsoft, and so I have it from 12 p.m.
For which exam you are giving?
So that M365 admin
I
learner,
understand.
admin learner, Intune learner.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay, so it's
okay then.
Okay.
Okay then.
Thank you guys. Thank you so much for joining. Have a good day.
okay. Okay, thanks. Bye.